We are going to show you the easy way which you can buy and sell crypto with using Binance platform. And in this video, if you don't have Binance account, I will put on the link on the description of this video so you can sign for one. So let's jump right into the video. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. Anytime we upload video like this, you will be first to get notified, and also give us thumbs up to enable other people to see this video. Thank you very much. So let's jump in right into the video. So the first thing which you need to do now is to open this Binance account, and let's open the app. So this is the platform, and if you want to sell crypto here very effectively, you have to verify your Binance account and add your payment details, which I'm going to show you every step in this video that you need to do. So please do not skip any part of this video to enable you understand everything we are doing here. And it's going to be step by step easy tutorial video that you understand. And anywhere you don't understand, don't hesitate to ask us question on the comment section, and will answer you very fast. So the first thing you need to do here is to go to this left icon where you can see icon here, then click on it. Then you need to verify your account. You need to get this verify checked before you will be able to buy and sell on Binance effectively. So Binance has made it easy for us now with Nigerian to be able to verify our account by using our BVN or NIN to verify our account. Before it used to be difficult, but now you can use your BVN or NIN. So the second step after verification, the second step which you need to do for you to sell effectively on this Binance is to come to this where there is this payment method. Click on this payment method. Come to this P2P payment method, this very one. Click on it, then go to this add payment method. This page will open for you. Click on this first one that say bank transfer. This very first one that say bank transfer. Click on it. Once you click on it, your name will come out. And I want to mind you, if you are registering on Binance, always ensure that you use your number which you register for your BVN or your banks, the name which you are using for your bank to register on Binance. Because if you are adding your payment method, the name will automatically appear here, the name which you register on Binance, and you cannot make payment using another name that is not in your bank, using another name that did not match the name which you register Binance with. I get you understand the point. So always use your bank name on your Binance registration, your first and the last name, because as it is now, you cannot edit it, you cannot do anything, it's just there. So the next thing you have to do is you add your bank account number and bank account name here. Then you confirm it here where you say confirm. Immediately as you enter this two thing, this place will show confirm. You confirm it as you enter the first, your bank account number and your bank name, you confirm it. Then it will save on your Binance. So you go back, click on this arrow that say go back, and you will go back, and we'll go back fully and come to the home page, which says the home page. So first thing, after putting your payment method and verifying your account, which you are ready to go on Binance, and please so if you want to buy crypto right now, let's say you want to buy crypto, come to this place that you say P2P trading. You click on it, it will take you to this place. Once you are here, you can see buy crypto. This person is selling for as for today, this person is selling for 742.7 naira. That is what this person is selling. This person that is selling This person is selling at 4.8. Everybody has their different prices they are selling, but it's around 4. So if you want to buy crypto now, the first thing I will urge you to do here is to come to this filter. Where there is filter, let me show you why you say you should come to this field where there is filter here. You can see this one now. You cannot, maybe you don't have up to this amount. This person is selling from 167,600 naira to 167,900. That's what only this person can sell. This person is selling from 30,000 to 111,000. You can see it here, the limit, the buy limit. So come to this filter. Let's say we want to buy crypto worth of 5,000 naira. Come to this filter, type here and type 5,000 to enable you see people that is selling 5,000 naira with a better price. Click on this bank transfer. Remove it from only show merchant. Remove it for only show merchant. Add from merchant. Remove it. Then click on the confirm button. Click on the confirm button. As you can see, it has changed. People that is selling 5,000 has come out, and it's not even up to the 142 naira. This one is 144, 744.99, as you can see. And another thing which you need to do if you want to buy crypto now is always check the rating. In every person that is selling crypto has rating. Check this person now has make a lot of trade. And let me go back. It has made a lot of trade, 2,382 trades, and he have 99.7 rating. This person has 100 rating, but he has just started. This person has 99. Those are good. I just want, as you can see, this one that has 82 rating, this one, it means it's not being effective. It doesn't release crypto fast at times. So he has done something that make Binance to demote its rating, maybe delay in transferring or delay in releasing the crypto or canceling orders. So he has default one or two things that make the Binance to rate him like this. So these are the things you need to check before you buy. Look at this one that says 61.2. I don't advise you to buy from this person because this person is not active at all. You might buy crypto from this person, it will wait like 30 to 1 hour before you can release the crypto for you. So I don't advise you to buy from this person. So you check the rating. Let's see this first person. So these are the rating you will check when buying on Binance. So let's say we want to buy crypto. Okay, another thing I want to show you now. Once you click on buy, let's say we want to buy on this person. We'll click on buy. Everybody has them. You can see this person's stem. It's a online fast release. No third payment, no third payment, no third party payment. What it means by no third party payment is that you cannot use another person's account number to send him money if you click on buy. It's that name which you register on Binance form, that your account name you will take to receive the money. If it is not that name, it will not be able to release your crypto for you to avoid security, for security purpose. Sorry. So you must make sure that you use your own personal bank to transfer him money if for him to release the crypto for you. You're the name that is in your, that is why I say always use your bank name to register on Binance, your real name, so that it will not get problem when you are buying crypto or selling, because people don't accept, it's against the law of Binance, you don't accept third payment party. I guess you understand what I'm trying to explain here. So let's go further. So let's say we want to buy crypto from this person now. And another thing I want to show you, always check the somebody's stem before you buy crypto. I saw something, let me check if he's still there. I saw something here, he's still there, the trade is still there. I saw something. Let's say we are buying from this man now. As you can see, this man welcome. He started typing number, WhatsApp and call. Drop your number for a better transaction. Do not pay third party. Yes, I will not. I will be refunding. If you use third party, say we refund your money, or place payment method after payment, or else the order will not be released. You can understand. You notice all this guy's law is too much. What you can just do free and everything. And I bought from him before that. He said you must drop your number before he can make payment to you. Which is very, very so always check people terms before you click on, before you put your buy and you put on buy, so that you don't fall to all those professors that too know. So let's go to this. Let's filter and go to 5,000 that we want to buy from, because I want to use sake of this video to buy 5,000 naira crypto. Where is that guy that I say we want to buy from? Okay, let's try this one. Okay, this one doesn't have too much law. You see, online fast release, party payment, no third party payment. So let's assume I want to buy. If you want to buy crypto, you can type the number of the crypto here, like 5, or let's say you want to buy 10 USD, like 20 USD. Okay, maximum is 7. Let's say you want to buy 3, minimum is 5. Okay, let's say you want to buy 6 USDT. But in this case, if you want to buy, always click on the flat, put money instead of the crypto. Let's say you want to buy for 5,000 naira. You want to buy for 5,000 naira crypto now. Then I click on buy. Then the next thing I want to do here is to click on make payment. I click on make payment. You can see the person's name. I click on I copy the address, which is the account number. The bank which the person is using is a Kudas bank. So I will go to my account, go to my bank app to make payment. You can see the person's name. Joseph Steven something something. You can see it here. So I will go to my bank. Give me 40 minutes to make this payment or less. You can see 14 minutes here. They are giving me 14 minutes to make payment to the seller, or less this order will be cancelled. So you have to make payments before 14 minutes. So let me minimize this video and go to. So guys, the guy has received the payment and he has released my coin. So if I come to my order here, I come to complete, click on this complete. You can see that the person has released this coin, the 5,000 naira. See, look at it, complete order. You can see that he has released 6.73. So if I go to my wallet, I will see it there. So guys, this video is long. I did not expect it to be this long. So what I'm going to do now is I want to make another video on to how to sell in another separate video, and it will be very short because every detail has been already said here. So the next video is going to be just after this video. The next video on my page is going to be how to sell. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also give us thumbs up and click on the bell notification to allow you, anytime we upload video, you'll be the first person that will get notified. Thank you very much.